Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix payment error on code O on Cash App using your phone. Let's get started. Error code O often happens because of a weak or unstable internet connection. Scroll down from the top right of your screen and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data if needed. Close the Cash App completely. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Cash App and then reopen the app and try your payment again. Make sure the receipt, cash tag, phone number or email is entered correctly. Also check that your bank account or card linked to Cash App has enough balance. Sometimes error happens due to old versions. Go to the App Store, tap on your profile at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and search Cash App and tap Update if available. If none of this works, tap on your profile. After that, tap Support and explain the error code O and they will help to resolve it. And that's it. By checking your connection, verifying detail, updating the app or contacting support will fix payment error code O on Cash App on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.